We're just going to go through basic fighting stance in this class, and the best way to do that, I find, is to just take a natural step forward, however big a step you naturally take. So I step forward like this, and then that's my width, that's my depth. My width wants to be a little bit wider than my shoulders, and it varies a lot depending on what sort of striking or kicking you're going to do next. But I find too deep, it's good for power, but not quite good for speed. Too narrow, it's good for speed, but you're a little bit unbalanced. So I find a normal step, slightly wider than my shoulders, and I drop down so I'm comfortable. My feet are facing the front, back heels off the ground. My hands are up, my elbows are together, and I'm looking through the fingers in my hands, whether it's this way or it's this way. I've got my chin buried down, and my elbows in the front like this. So again, we relax, and then we just step into it, and I'm here. And back, and step into it. So you shouldn't see your face through your hands, and your belly shouldn't be open because of your elbows. Nice and tight, nice and relaxed here. This is our fighting stance. Not too deep, not too wide. Hands up, elbows in, shoulders slightly rotated, chin down, looking through our fingers.